Want to get pro version of ChatGPT? You are at the right YouTube channel. You can also watch this video at the speed of 1.5x for better experience. Yes, you can access ChatGPT's pro features now within 3 minutes. So let's start. Open browser and search for ChatGPT and open it. Now, if you want ChatGPT Pro, then you must have to log in with any account. So do it first. Log in. After successfully logged in, click on the Try Go. OpenAI is offering a free 1-year subscription to its ChatGPT Go plan exclusively for users in India. Click on Upgrade to Go. Now wait a while. Now you can see the invoice. It is 100% free for 12 months. So select your payment option and enter your details. I choose an UPI and added UPI ID and other information. After filling this, click on Subscribe. Now this is very important step. Go to your UPI app, Google Pay, PhonePe, Bheem or any. Approve the autopay. For Rs 399, it will don't debit 399 but only debit 1 rupee. And it is refundable. So don't worry, complete the step. After completing payment or approval, click on Confirmation and you will be redirected to the ChatGPT Pro. So this is how you can also get ChatGPT Pro. So, what are you waiting for? Go through it. We will also have short on that. You can also share it with others, with your friends, family and relatives. Hit that subscribe button for more informative videos and shorts. Tech beyond expectations.